Bastet, the guardian of homes and hearts.
Discover Bastet's graceful transformation and dual nature. Explore Bubastis, where Bastet's sanctity and festivity thrive. Unravel Bastet's sacred connections within the Egyptian pantheon. Dive into Bastet's powers of protection and gentle healing. Experience Bastet's harmonious blend of music and divine joy. Unveil the sacred bond between Bastet and her earthly feline guardians. Celebrate Bastet's enduring joy through the Feast of Bubastis Festival. Embrace Bastet's modern influence of feline grace and protection.